Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And in this video, we continue to understand Shape and Space 7 of IGCSE. And we are on page 151, looking at example 13, which tells us to find the total surface area of the cone shown. Find the total surface area of the cone shown. Find the total surface area of the cone shown. And of course, we know that the total surface area of this cone is the area of the base, assuming that it is closed, plus the area of the curved surface. The area of the curved surface. You can see this height is 12 centimeters, the perpendicular height. You can see the radius is 5 centimeters and the L is not known. So the total surface area, of course, we know is the area of the base, which is base area plus the curved surface plus the curved surface. The base area is circular because so we have no issue with the base area. This is going to be pi r squared, which is 5 squared, plus pi rl, because that is the area of the curved surface. But incidentally, you realize that we do not have the value of L. We just don't have the value of L, and therefore we need to calculate the value of L. And we need to extract what forms like a right angle triangle from the diagram and have it this way. This is the perpendicular height, which is 12. This is the center of the base, and this is the radius, which is 5, and this is the L as illustrated in the diagram. And therefore it follows that using the Pythagoras theorem, we can have 5 squared plus 12 squared is equals to L squared. And this is 25 plus 144 is equals to L squared. And this gives us 169 is equals to L squared. And then looking for the square root on both sides, you'll realize that 13 is equals to L. Of course, it should be equals to plus or minus 13, but please note we are finding for the dimensions of a cone, and therefore negative 13 does not apply. So when our L is 13, now that L is 13 centimeters, we can easily talk about pi times r times 13, which is equals to what? Pi times 5 times 13, which is equals to 65 pi. This is going to be 65 pi. So let us now combine with pi 5 squared, and the total surface area is 5 squared is 25 pi plus 65 pi, and this is going to be 90 pi. 90 pi numerically is going to be 90 times pi, which is equals to that, and of course according to numerical value of this is going to be 282.7 centimeters squared. Is going to be 282.7 centimeters squared, or 283 to 3 significant figures. That is as far as example 13 is concerned. In the same video, let us explain example 14, which says a table tennis ball has a volume. Table tennis ball has volume which is of 33 centimeter cubed. The question is find the radius and the surface area. Find the radius and surface area. We must now bring in on board what we have. Example 14 says, a table tennis ball has volume of 33 centimeter cubed. Find the radius and the surface area. It goes without saying this is spherical. This is something, it's a sphere. A table tennis ball is a sphere. It is spherical in shape. And we know that the volume of a sphere is always going to be given by 4 over 3 pi r cubed. That is how we get the volume of a sphere. And this is now what is giving us 33. So if we substitute this, we are going to have 4 over 3 pi r cubed is equals to 33. Now, our desire is to make r the subject of the formula. So we can talk about, first of all, multiply both sides by 3 over 4 by 3 over 4. So that on the left-hand side, this cancels with that, that cancels with that. You're going to left with pi r cubed, which is equals to 99 over 4. And then you divide by pi both sides. You divide by pi is the same as multiplying by 1 over pi. And you'll be left with a situation which gives you r cubed is equals to 99 over 4 pi. R cubed is going to be 99 over 4 pi. Of course, on both sides now, we have to look for the cube root. We have to look for the cube root. And on the left-hand side, you're going to have r is equals to the is going to be equals to the cube root of 99 divided by, or rather, the cube root of 99 divided by 4 times pi. And at the end of it all, we are going to have an answer that is 1.99 centimeters as the radius. 1.99 centimeters as the radius. Having found out that, the question continues to tell us to look for the surface area, and the surface area is now given by a formula which is very easy, 4 pi r squared, the surface area of a sphere. So now that we have the r, we just substitute in 4 times pi times 1.99 squared. Still using our calculator, we can continue to square this. Square answer. You square that, and then times pi, and then multiplied by 4 to get us something to do with 49.8. So everything now is going to be 49.8 centimeters squared. So it's just a matter of application of the formula, which is very easy. And at the end of the day, you will be there, you will be home. Don't feel intimidated, because I told you this formula, you'll find them in the formula booklet, and you will be able to use it accordingly. So that is the end of example 13 as well as example 14. Please make sure you get to my YouTube channel, subscribe and share widely, and let us win together. All right.